Yeah, we can start, Mehla. Yeah. So you will begin speaking, Mehla, or I have to
Yes,
start?
ma'am. I'll start, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Am I audible and am I visible?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes.
Okay. Good afternoon, all. Just like life on this planet evolved, so has the science and technology. In science, we study infinite things and unsolved mysteries. The greatest boon of studying science is to apply it to make more sense of life and solving the complexities of life. As a physicist and an educationist, I seek to deliver and do my best for the students even during these difficult times. However, digital presentation of a theoretical facet of instructions was not a challenge to me as much as delivering the application and a problem solving aspects. The idea of a virtual labs providing to the remote access to the laboratories and providing various tools for learning, additional web resources, video lectures, animated demonstration, and self-evaluation is still a far cry to academic fraternity. Today's workshop on apps on physics by Dr. Snehalatha Kaliappan throws a light on the development in unique fields. Dr. Snehalatha Kaliappan has done uh, has done her PhD from IIT Bangalore and her postdoc from Duke University. After that, she worked in various projects at IIT Bombay, and now from past 8 years, she is working as a senior research scientist in Ministry of Education. On behalf of Vidya family, I wish to extend a warm welcome to you. Ma'am, platform is to you. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much for introducing me, Rahul.
Thank you.
And also thank you for the Vidya team for giving us an opportunity to present our work here. So today all the participants will be learning something really new. These are called as apps on physics, which my team member Madhuri Ganapati has created. She's here. And she will broadly give an overview and also talk about, I mean, give a few demonstrations on apps on physics. So mostly we want to have this as a hands-on experience for all the participants. So we have asked all the participants to download and then keep ready all the files required, to do the hands-on experiments, the simulations. So I hope you have all done that. If not, then I think Madhuri can help for a few minutes in the beginning. So how we are going to do this is that we already have the spoken tutorials on various topics, which we have Madhuri has created, Madhuri and another colleague has created. So they are there online on the spoken tutorial website. So she will show that. So we have various topics in physics, like they have on simple machines, on pendulums, on uh, sound waves, electricity. So various topics. We have these apps on physics, around more than 10 or 15. So you have to do this side by side. That means you have to open the tutorial on one side of the screen and then open the HTML file of that particular for that particular session. That means if you are for that particular tutorial, for example, if you are doing the first tutorial is simple machines, so you need to open the corresponding HTML file which you have extracted and kept it on your desktop to one side of the screen. And then you have to exactly repeat the steps, whatever is shown in the tutorial, and then repeat on you have to just practice it on the software which you have opened, the HTML file. Okay, so this Madhuri will demonstrate. So this will give you a hands-on experience so that you can carry all this experience you had today to your school and then give it to your students also. So if you need any help, you can, or if you don't understand anything, please feel free to put it in the chat box. We will answer for you. And also if you need any further help, you can write to us and we can help you. So let us begin. So Madhuri, are you ready? So you can share your screen and start the presentation. So just give an overview of what the apps on physics are, and then brief benefits and uses, and then we can start the side by side. So all of them can give 5 minutes for all of them to open their software and also tutorials. So Madhuri.
Hello, good afternoon. This is Madhuri Ganpati from Spoken Tutorial team. Can you all hear me?
Yes, Madhuri, go ahead. Yeah, can see you. Yeah, can share your screen. Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
We can't hear you at all.
Earlier we were able to see Madhuri. Now it's not seen actually. So only black. I think you should have your PDF open. You have to click your PDF on your left. Yeah.
No, the PDF is open actually.
Yeah. Now it's seen. Now it is seen. Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe I'll off my video. How to off the video in this?
Down. You just scroll up from the bottom and then stop your video. I mean, you can.
I can't see the full screen. That is why.
Okay, but we can see your screen. You can just begin your this thing.
Okay. Anyway.
Yeah.
Now you see my face? No.
No.
Do you see my face?
We can't see. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Right. Okay. Now we'll start. This is Madhuri again. So we'll first say a few lines about spoken tutorial. We work in spoken tutorial. So spoken tutorials are spoken tutorial is an audio visual tutorial to learn open source software. The tutorials are created for self-learning, and that is we will learn the software using the video. The tutorials are practiced. We'll start learning from scratch, and the tutorials are practiced using side-by-side method, which is there in Spoken Tutorial project. Okay, now about apps on physics. Apps on physics are simulations that explain you basic concepts of physics. They help to understand very easily through simulation the concepts. When the app opens, app shows the information on how to use the application. There's a small, as soon as we open the app, we see a small description on the app saying how this particular simulation works. Then below the information, we will see the application. The apps are freely downloaded and we can use them. The downloading is very easy in the sense that the apps are created in HTML file format. So that when they are created in HTML, since they are created in HTML file format, they are browser based. So we can run them on any operating system, Windows, Mac, Linux, whatever operating system is available, they work on the browser. So generally when we use the browser, we either use Chrome browser or Firefox, whichever is convenient to you. So when we download, the downloading is very easy, but it is available on this particular website, www.waterfen.de/html/fen. Okay, here we are taking the HTML part because All the apps are available in HTML. When you download, you might also see that the apps have JS format, that is JavaScript format, but then it is much easier to use HTML because we will open them directly in the browser. Okay, the team which created the apps was Walter Fenn and his team way before, long before, but then the apps are very useful actually, which explain the simulations in a very simple and comfortable way. Okay, when the app window opens, you will see two panels. The first panel is activity panel and the second panel is control panel. The activity panel actually displays the simulation, and the control panel has parameters which we can change. Like we can change the we can change the length, we can change the time duration, we can change the graph size. So all these things are time, distance, whatever is available in that particular activity, we can change using the parameters in the control panel. Okay, whatever changes we make in the control panel are visible in the activity panel. That is, the simulation shows whatever changes we make in the control panel. And all the more, the important thing is we have animations in the app. So when the animation happens, it explains the concept very nicely. And it is easy to understand through animations. The apps are the main use of app, and its benefit is that it is used for practical purposes. That is to learn through, it is like lab exercise. When we finish a concept, when we learn a concept, we need to do some lab activity that will give us more learning in the concept. So these apps are useful for practical activity. And after the practical activity is done, we can actually solve problems, we can solve numericals and answer questions. So after we learn the concept and do the practical activity and solve problems, the concept that is learned is much more clear and easily understandable. Also, it builds, like many of us, when we are solving problems, we have difficulty in solving the problems. We don't have much confidence in doing it. But the app actually helps us in building confidence. It shows the values, like when you solve a numerical and substitute the same values in the app, it gives us the correct answer. And most of the time we can do comparison activity, so that when we compare the answers, we know that we are right when we are solving the problems. Thank you. So let's go back to the interface and then do the activity for today. Start off with spoken tutorials and do side-by-side method. Thank you.
So Madhuri, can you share your screen and show the side-by-side how we
Yes. Yeah. So here is my HTML app, which I'm looking for, HTML5N app. And then when I open this app, you will see two folders, PH and Fen. We will open the Fen app. And then here you will see all your experiments. For example, for the first tutorial, that is pulley system, we can just do Control F. So when you do Control F here, you will see the scroll bar is seen. That is a search bar is seen, and here we can type what we need. So I'm typing as pulley system. So when I open the pulley system, if I write pulley, just the word pulley is enough. So you will see that three files are here. One is .js, and then there is one underscore en.htm, and then there is underscore en.js. So out of these three, the first and third are JavaScript functions, for which we will require backend of Java. But then the easiest one is the HTML file or HTML file. When you open this, we will directly open in the browser. So we can just double click on it, or we can use a right click and then open through Firefox. Here I am using Firefox. You can also use Chrome. So I will open in Firefox. So when I open in Firefox, this is the app that is loaded. So where I'm talking about two things, activity panel and the parameters panel, control panel. So the yellow thing, what you are seeing here is the activity panel.
Madhuri, sorry to disturb you. I think we should allow the participants to also open like this. So
yes, please.
so
Okay.
give
Along
them
with me,
2
you will
minutes
just
time. 2 minutes time and ask.
yes.
Yeah. So all the participants,
yes.
can you also do the same thing on your computer? Like we have given you the link, so you have downloaded all the files. So maybe Madhuri can show again how to open those files.
Yes,
so, give them 2
I'll
minutes,
just close.
Madhuri.
Yeah, I'll just close for now and then reopen it again when they're ready.
Can someone write a message in the chat box whether you are able to open, like how Madhuri is doing?
So Snehalatha, I will open the spoken tutorial directly online, right?
Yes. Open it online because we have not given them the offline content. So they have to open online.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when they're ready, I will start showing even how to open the website.
मुझे बताओ आप ये क्या नाम है उसका? अरे कौन है वो खत्म से जो पीछे बैठ रहती है? जानवी पास हो सकती है? हमारी बात आवाज आ रही है।
Okay, Madhuri, you can begin again. You can show it again. Yeah.
So people are ready with the can you see the messages? I can't see the message. That is why I just want to see where to see the messages.
Actually, you are that small. I can see on your screen on your right hand side. There is that small panel which shows the Zoom meeting. So I think you need to expand to see the chat.
This one.
Yeah, on the black that panel, the small panel with names and all is there.
Yeah, multiple names are there. Yes.
That
I
you
can
need
see
to
that.
expand it there to get to the the meeting again. Yeah. Right now we can see your screen, but I think you should start. You again start showing and side by side you show.
Yes.
They are ready. Yeah.
So they are ready. Yeah.
So
I will keep the browser open. Here, one more important thing for all of you. I'll close my other windows. One more important thing for all of you is, since both of them, the spoken tutorials and the apps on physics are on browser. So we have, when we open both of them, they will sometime open, like I'll show it and I'll show the wrong way and the right way, so that you will have the difficulty. You will not have difficulty in opening it again. So here I have already opened my web browser. Here is the
Madhuri, I can't see your screen at all. I'm not sure about others, but I can't see. There is
I
one
can see the screen.
People can see.
Now can you see?
Yeah. Now yes.
Okay, I think that stop share got clicked. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, so here is the website. I will do it again for all of you so that something is coming in between all the time. Yeah. Okay, so I will open my website first of all. So here is the website, spokentutorial.org. And all of you, please make your screen half size. Please don't keep it full size. It is difficult to see the side screen. So all of you, when you open your screen, the screen will actually be in full size. You will have to drag and make it small so that you can see them side by side. So initially when you open the website, it will be full screen like this. But then if it is full screen, it is difficult. So we will drag and make it half so that we can side by side see the videos and do the simulation. So when we open our website, here it is. First, I'll make it big and show how the opening, then we can go. So here we have got all courses. We'll just click on the drop down. And when we click on the drop down, it is this activity we need to choose, apps on physics. again, you can see it is here, the activity called, the video is called apps on physics. Then in the languages section here, for now we have only in English. So I will select English. And beside we have got a button, click on it. Search button is available. Okay, now when I open, we can see all the all the tutorials created for spoken tutorials of apps on physics. So this is the list. So we have got 13 tutorials in the list. So we'll start with the first one, apps on first tutorial, that is simple machines. So when we click on it, it opens like this. And when you want to go back, you can click on this arrow here on the left side to go back to the page and take the second one once you're done with the first. Okay, let me click on the first tutorial, apps on physics. And after that, I will just make the size of the video browser a bit small so that I can, the other half I can show the apps on physics. So now I will go back to police system. Here is my HTML file. Before that, I will show how I opened it. Okay, you might have all downloaded it. So when you download, you will get the first file which you get is HTML5 and that zip we have to right click and extract. So I have all, you have to extract using extract here. So once you extract, the folder called HTML5 is created. So when you double click on this folder, you will see two files, ph and fen. I hope everybody is following me. Yeah, now the folder which we require now is fen, phen. We will double click again. So when we double click, we will have so many files which are available in JavaScript and HTML. So we'll choose the HTML file format. So first, I need to search for police system, the first one, simple machines activity. I will press Ctrl F, that is for searching. And here I will type police system. So when I type the word pulley, you can see three files here, JS, HTML, and one more JS. What we require is the HTML file. We will right click on it and then open with Firefox. You can also open with Chrome. Please do not use Internet Explorer. The videos will not stream properly. So here is your Firefox web browser. Now, what happened here is, you all can see when I opened it, okay, when I opened it, you can see that the spoken tutorial is here and the police system is here. That is, the activity is beside it. So what I will do is, instead of this, we can reload to a different tab so that I can have them in side by side. So instead of having them, I have a spoken tutorial here and beside I have got police system. So it is difficult to switch between two, but I will require them in two separate windows. So I will reload it in a new tab. Yeah, here, mute to. So the window is, or I'll close and show again. Maybe you didn't follow what I did. So both of them opened in the same window. Yeah, when right click on it, you will see a tab opener here. From this, we will take move tab and then select move to new window. We will take move tab here and then go to the option move to new window. So when we do that, a new window opens and now we will be able to move them side by side. So one of them will be on the right side window and the other one will be in the left side window, so that we can see them side by side. You can resize the windows and then start playing. Did you all follow the last step?
We can't see side by side on your screen, Madhuri. Can you put them side by side?
Yeah, they are side by side.
How to pull side by side? It is not coming. Full screen is coming to me.
Yeah, you need to actually make the window small.
Minimize the window.
That is that. See, when you open the window, can you see my window now? It is not.
Yes,
Is it not
yes.
taking full screen here for my thing?
Yeah.
So we need.
When pulley system will open, then what we have to do?
Yeah, when they open side by side. Okay, let me show that activity again. I will close and then show again. Can you see my screen, full screen?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so first I will open the spoken tutorial.
Wait.
Yeah, you all know to open spoken tutorial, https://spokentutorial.org. And then select apps on physics. From when you open in the main window, we have got courses.
I have given the link in the chat. All the participants, I have given that link to open the spoken tutorial for apps on physics in the chat window. Please click on that link. You will directly go there.
Okay, here is, so when it is full screen now, so when you open it, it will be in full screen. So on your, if you are using Windows, it will be on the left or right. Please check. There are three.
We are seeing only your video, Madhuri. We can't see your screen.
Yeah, Madhuri, you have not shared the screen.
No, I have shared. It is there. Is it full screen?
Click on share again. Share screen again. Yeah, now it is seen. Now it is
okay.
Seen.
Yeah, so I will open the pulley system again. Is it now visible?
Yes. Yes.
And then beside that, you can see video.
Yeah, we can see video.
So now I will make them into two screens. I will retain the video here. Now the pulley thing, just hold on that tab, right click on it. When you hold on that tab, you see when you click on the tab, it will become white. Initially it will be black, it will become white. Right click on it. So when you right click on it, the option is move tab. And then in the same option, you have got move to new window. You all can see this option.
Actually, no, that this part is not visible on the screen, Madhuri. That's why, but it's okay. I think they will understand, the participants.
Okay, I'll share this. Okay,
seen,
maybe both of them are not shared. Now it is seen.
Now it is seen, but that action, that reload to a new window, that particular thing is not seen. So it is only reload tab is there, mute tab is there, pin tab is there. Below that,
below we have got move tab.
It is not seen because I think something is blocking that. Some other window is blocking that.
No, it is actually, ma'am, it is Firefox she's using. That option is there in Chrome.
Chrome is there.
Yeah, what she's saying is for Chrome. So
no, I'm using Firefox. Yeah.
Yeah, but that option, what you said, no, that is for Chrome. I think even I got it in Chrome. Others should have got, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, look, shall I show in Chrome then?
I think you just proceed, Madhuri. They would have done it. So let's not waste time on this.
Okay, so when you move to that, then you have to move to new window. Then you will have just two new windows. So when you have to, here you can see there are two new windows. Now we can make them half. Actually, each of them will make them half so that we can see both of them.
So they are asking how to make it half. So you show them how to minimize the window.
Yeah. So on your left, so when you're using Windows or Ubuntu, on your screen, you will see three buttons. One is minimize. The second one is maximize. And there is a cross button. You can see three of these buttons on your window. It is minimize.
We can see, Madhuri.
Yeah, minimize, maximize, and close. So what we will do is we will take the maximize window, the middle window we will take. When you click, it will maximize. Again, we'll come back to the same one and click again. So when you click, the size will reduce. So this is one way. The second way is when you put at the corner of your, when you put your cursor at the corner, you will see an arrow with a dash. Okay, when you see the arrow with a dash, you will be able to drag in and out. You all can see an arrow when you come to the corner of your page. First, click on the maximize button. At the corner, you will see all along the line, you will see one line with a arrow. So when that particular arrow is seen, a line with an arrow. And then you will be able to drag in or out and then adjust your size to fit in your system. Okay, I'll stop sharing. Some of you, anyone who got it can share and show me if it is correct.
Then play the video and then show, Madhuri. Then they will
Yes.
be, like.
Okay, the video is started to play.
Yeah. Is there any code file for this? You can show the code file, forum, all that you can show.
Okay, now in the same window, I will show the other parts. Yeah. So here are the other parts in the video. We have got this is the main video way in the center. We have got the video, that is player we have got, and beside we have got questions posted on the forum. Like when we have a forum on for spoken tutorial. So these are the questions that were posted on the forum for this particular tutorial. And down we have got information, that is what else is there in this tutorial. Along with we have got assignment, we have got a script, and then there's an outline, that is what this particular tutorial explains. Then we have got slides and then additional material. Okay, so what I will do is I'll quickly go to forums page. On the spoken tutorial main page, we have got something called forums. And when you click on the forums, the page for forums opens. And then here we have got apps on physics. I'll just click on apps on physics and see the questions available for apps on physics. So these are the questions. So these are the questions asked by various people in forums. So you can also ask questions like, okay, now I'll close this window. We can ask question. No, how can you ask question? Is we have to register to ask questions. So here on the page, when you click on the forums page, we can actually register ourselves on the forum and then start asking questions. Let me show how we do it. Here we have got two buttons on the main page, login and register. So when you click on the register button, it's a link, and the it opens as you register yourself, and that like some questions asked, and then after that you can just fill up your details like your name, email ID, phone number, and then click I'm not a robot, register. So when you register, you will be able to log in. So I will log in and show. Since I already registered, I'm going to log in and then click on the login button. So when you click, your name appears, like my name is Madhuri, so it will appear here, and then you can start asking questions in the forum. Yeah, then we're now looking for apps on physics. We can ask a question in apps on physics. Just click on question. We can enter our username and password and then go for asking questions. So here we can choose the details, whichever question we want, which tutorial, what is the time duration, enter the title of what we want to ask, and then submit a question. It will be answered. Okay, let us now continue with the tutorials. Everybody is ready? Okay, I have stopped to share, so you can all continue. Please keep posting your questions so that it will be easy for you.
So participants can now play the first video, that is simple machines, and then whatever is given there, you can practice on your whatever the simple machines HTML file you open, the simple pulley file. So you can practice on that. So we'll give you maybe 10 to 15 minutes time, and then maybe Madhuri, can you again show one simple example after 10 to 15 minutes?
Yes.
Yeah. Can solve the assignment or whatever is there at the back of the tutorial, that maybe Madhuri can solve and show. Okay, there is a chat window question. Poonam is asking now what to do. So I think Poonam, you have to play the video, which is there in the list of the apps on physics, which are there on the spoken tutorial website, which Madhuri has shown. And then open the pulley video. What was that, Madhuri? The first one?
Pulley system.
Pulley system, yeah, pulley system. And then you have to practice whatever is shown in the video on the pulley system, the HTML file.
Actually, when you open the thing, you will see both of them side by side. You will listen to the tutorial and then practice side by side. Like it explains to change the weight of the pulley, weight of the load, change the values in the pulley, how many pulleys are there, that So it explains step by step how we actually do with the tutorial.
Ma'am, voice is not coming.
In the video, you mean to say?
No, ma'am.
Hmm. Video is not visible.
Madhuri?
Yeah.
I think many of them are unable to do what is been meant to do. So what you can do is, can you just play one video and show one demonstration on the simple pulley so that they
Yes,
will
yes.
understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, so Madhuri will demonstrate one simple pulley experiment which is shown in the video. So one experiment you show, Madhuri. Yeah. Actually, you explain the learning objective slide, and then in the video, what is done, same thing you can do. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, just a second. Can you all see my window?
Yes, Madhuri.
Can you
Yeah.
all see?
Proceed. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
Okay. So this tutorial is about we need to see, we are working about showing the working of a pulley system. Next thing is to will calculate the force required to, when you open the pulley system app, you will see something like this. So in the pulley system, when you open the app like this, you will see something called pulleys here, which is a drop down for pulleys. Then we have got the next thing called weight. And then we have here weight is weight of the load. And then we have got weight of the loose pulley. So here we will be able to pull the pulley up and down using this particular string. We have got a string, and then we have got a spring balance here that will help us in moving the pulley. Then there are two scales we have here. One is spring scale and force vectors. So the default one is spring scale is connected. This is what is your spring scale. And then we also have along with it, it's called force vector. So instead of scale, we will see something called a vector is shown in the drop down. So when it shows the direction of the pulley, the load which is moving down, and the movement of the pulley in this direction. So this is the first part of the app. And then when you change the values here according to the tutorial, the necessary force will change. Okay, let me change the value here. Say I will change it to 1, and then change the loose pulley's weight as 3, and then press enter. You will see that the necessary force is calculated. That is what is explained here. The necessary force is explained along with the formula to do it is, now why we weight of the load, weight of the loose pulley divided by 4 here, because it is showing 4 pulleys here. So if I change it to something else, say 2 pulleys, the value will change to 2 pulleys, and then the value will be calculated. So this is what I'm talking about is the control panel, and this is your activity panel. So whatever changes we make here, that we see in the control panel. I hope there's an understanding.
Yeah, I think participants have to play the video and then see.
Yes, they have to play the video and then start working.
Just show how to play the video, and then then from the beginning, and then maybe a few more examples you can also show it, ma'am. Yeah. Yeah, play the spoken tutorial, Madhuri. Then in the list, first you show the list from the beginning.
Yes.
Yeah, then they will understand a little better.
Okay. So when you open the spoken tutorial website, I'm not showing full screen. Reason for that is
this is fine.
You have to make it in half screen. So when you open the spoken tutorial website, I'll go to the main page again. In the full screen, I'll go to the main page. So it will look like this is the main page of spoken tutorial, and then we have got a drop down here. The drop down says all courses, and then here in the first thing, it will be the main drop down will be like this. From the all courses, we will take apps on physics will move down, and we can see this in, okay, all the courses here are put up in alphabetical order. So apps on physics starts with A, so it is here in A, and then in the all languages setup we will just drag, and for now we have got only English, so we will select English here, and then click on the search button. Here you see a blue colored search button, and when we click on it, the page for apps on physics opens. So this is how the page looks like, and then we have got tutorials one after the other as we go down. So now, since we are starting, we will click on the first one, simple machines. Please do it along with me so that you will also understand. So when you click on that simple machine, I'll go back to the page again. Yeah, here is simple machines active video. You click on the video link, and it has opened here. So when it has opened here, here we have got a player button. You can see here. Click on the player, and it starts playing.
So maybe participants, do let us know when you want to start the second video. So Madhuri can show how to do the, perform the experiment in the the video, which comes next.
The participants, are you able to follow how we are doing it?
Yes, ma'am, we understand.
Yeah, are you doing the same way as it is shown here?
Yes, we are doing.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Ma'am,
Hello.
when we are
Yes.
changing the weight option, then weight of loose pull, that should also change.
No. Both are separate fields. When you're changing the weight and loose pulley, the necessary force will change.
The weight of the loose pulley will change automatically.
No. You have to change on you. You have to enter here in the text box.
Ma'am, that handle is a force. No?
Yeah, this handle is force. Like when you click on this, it will come.
Spray scale force vectors.
Yes, ma'am.
The first is the selected one is spring scale. Then you can click on force vectors to change it into a vector like this. So the vector will be shown here. Hello. Did you all complete the first tutorial?
Yeah, participants, have you all completed the first video, or you have any issues, or you need more time? Okay, Madhuri, I think they have completed most of them. So some people are telling yes, yeah, done.
Okay, yes.
So give them maybe 2 more minutes, and then maybe you can start the demonstrating the second inclined plane video.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Participants, were you able to solve the assignment given at the end?
You can start the second one, Madhuri. The
Yeah.
inclined plane.
Yes. Okay, I'll go to the next tutorial, that is inclined plane. In the list, we have got the second tutorial as inclined plane. And this is the inclined plane tutorial. I will open the inclined plane at this app at the same time. We will go back to the Fen folder, which we did before. Control F to open inclined plane. So here is your file, inclinedplane.em.html file. We'll open with right click and Firefox web browser. Again, I will do the same activity of moving it to the new tab, so that both the apps are in the different tabs. So here is that. Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, so this is the screen which we have for inclined plane. So by now you all know how to open the apps, right?
Could everyone open the inclined plane video? Are you able to follow, all of you participants? Okay, yeah. So I think Madhuri, it's time to conclude. It's already 3:30. So I think all the participants have got a hang of it, and now they know what to do and how to practice the rest of the tutorials. So I need some feedback, some kind of a feedback from you all. At least one or two can speak how it was, the session. So were you able to do at least 2 tutorials today? Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So okay, can you just tell like what you felt and how the session was, and you can continue the same thing for the rest of the tutorials actually and practice them. Any volunteers?
Yeah, it was a wonderful session, but it needs more practice for us.
That's true, ma'am. Yeah. Actually, we generally do for a whole day, one full day, actually, ma'am.
Exactly. It
Yeah.
takes some time because we are all learners only. It takes some time for us to learn. And it is a little bit tough. I didn't say no. Practice makes man's perfect. That's bound to be there.
Yes, yes, yes. So
Thanks for
whatever
your.
whatever we could do in 1.5 hours, na?
Yeah,
Actually,
yeah.
it needs one full day of practice or 3 days. Usually we do either a one full day or 3 days.
Yeah.
So maybe next time when we do that, please do
Yeah.
join us, ma'am.
Yeah, man. It's very great and you are very kind of you. Thanks for the nice demonstration.
Yeah, thank you.
Actually,
And I hope
please
it was
please
all
continue to do it actually, so you will finish
Yeah.
the remaining tutorials.
Exactly. Yeah. If you don't do the practice, it will not become complete also. We are supposed to do it. That is bound to be there. Thank you,
and
ma'am.
also, ma'am, save all the whatever we sent, save all the files which
Yeah.
are there, the HT
Yeah,
files.
yeah, yeah. I have saved it. Yeah.
Then you don't lose them. Even if it is not, if you have the link, you can download from the net. That is not an issue.
Okay, ma'am.
So, and try to use it in your classroom with your students. So that will be very, very beneficial for them. That will be more
Exactly.
interactive.
Yeah.
They will not forget if you show some very interactive simulations. So it will stay with them for a long time.
Exactly.
So I
Yes,
hope
ma'am.
it will be beneficial to all of you, and hope you all liked it.
Yeah.
So tomorrow also we'll do the same thing, ma'am. We'll do for chemistry virtual
Okay.
labs. So we
Okay.
have given the links to all the participants. So please download from the link and then install. It's very easy just to run the jar files. So anyway, again, we'll come a little early and show you if you have any problems tomorrow also. And we'll do the same method side by side. We will see the tutorial and then practice it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you all. And Madhuri, thank you so much for demonstration today. And she's the one who created the tutorials. So I hope you all liked. Mehala, over to you.
Thank you all. Thank you for.
Rahul sir, do you want to close it? Thank you, Dr. Snehalatha and Madhuri. I think Rahul sir will like to close the session. Is he there? Pallavi ma'am, is he there? Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, then I'll only close. Thank you, Dr. Snehalatha and Madhuri, for this session. Yeah, actually, we are all new to this platform, so the side by side and all that thing took little time. Now everybody is now comfortable with how to do the practice. So tomorrow probably we can start with the chemistry practice directly, no, without going in for all the side by side practices. So I hope tomorrow everybody, all of you will join at 2 o'clock. So we'll start sharp at 2 for the chemistry lab experiments, Chem Collective. So today we'll be sending the Zoom link for that to all of you. So please download the Chem Collective software and keep it ready. So we all will meet tomorrow at 2 o'clock. Thank you once again, Dr. Snehalatha and Madhuri.
Yeah, thank you, Mehala, for inviting us and then giving us this opportunity. So thank you all participants for actively participating, and hope you all like it and enjoy practicing more. So please do enjoy in the free time. Yeah, bye all. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you all.
Yeah.